Okay, so today what are we doing? We're changing Luis's clutch. Okay, I had practice, so I just got here about an hour ago. But Luis was struggling to get the drive shaft out. Just heat up everything, and we got the drive shaft out finally. Luis got his exhaust out earlier this morning. Right now, he is... I don't know what he's doing, actually.
I am fucking...
Stop swearing. I'm sick of bleeping everything out for you.
I'm sorry. I'm forced to have it. I am freaking taking off my trans mounts so we can almost drop the trans.
And then we can put his...
What time did I start?
I don't know, 9 in the morning, something?
Like 9:30.
And then we're putting his ACT clutch in. Is this stage 2? Okay. So I'm gonna show you the clutch real quick, and then I'm gonna go help Luis.
Look at that. Performance parts for a slow car. Oh, damn it. I forgot to tell him.
What?
I forgot to tell him I need brake fluid too. Need brake fluid? Yeah, I have some. I hope I have enough to bleed my clutch.
Well, we can always go pick some up.
What?
We can always go pick some up.
Yeah, I know, but... Oh, then I'll have enough, because I have a bigger bottle on my shelf. Dude, what the heck?
Kyle said I did my part at work. He said I'm tapping Brandon in.
Yeah, you should have seen me. I was on the bolt. I was literally all my body weight on the bolt, bro. You could ask Luis. I was all on it, bro.
He was.
All I needed was some torch, and then that was done.
You should have dry scooped some pre-workout and then.
Yeah, I need to go to Brandon's car real quick. Pre-workout dry scoop. Matter of fact, you mind, Brandon? Yeah, Luis, I'm taking off the discount tire shirt.
Alright, thanks for the help, Luke.
If you need me, just let me know. Yeah, I'll do it when I come back.
It's a rod knot? Question mark?
God damn it. I think I got rod now. I got rod. Oh, never mind. Can't say that because you're filming. My arm hurts.
Were you gonna make a joke?
I was gonna make a joke.
What? That you'll knock my rod?
That wasn't even what I was trying to say, but yeah, sure.
Sus ass boy.
Not even. Females hit my line.
I'll put your Instagram and Snapchat.
For my Instagram and my Snapchat.
And I'll put a picture of your car.
Yes, please.
Even though it's right here. But I'll put a good picture that Andrew took.
With my nice wheels on.
For real. Got these pink winners. The nice blue ones over there. Just take a moment to appreciate the Dream Chaser banner though.
What?
I said appreciate the Dream Chaser banner under the light.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here.
New bag?
Yeah, new bag. Say trans mount. I need to charge my speaker too. Damn it. God darn it. Trans mount. Look at that. I'm being organized, dude. Stay organized, kids. Always use protection. My arms are getting tired from this.
If you went to the gym with Kyle and I, they wouldn't.
Alright, Brandon Hung. Relax. If I went to the gym, I'd also be skinny.
Oh, you'd be a swole little Mexican.
I would be a swole little Mexican. Hey man, your arm would get tired of this too. You're upside down. Yes, it would. Yes, it would.
You got experience with design.
What does that mean? Huh? I don't?
What?
You're saying I don't? What the fuck? That doesn't seem right. Oh, that's what I did by the way.
Only base my
Don't.
statements off
Cut that out,
logic.
please.
No. So Luis put the
no,
jack.
Hey,
Hey.
Hey,
Luis put the jack.
Please cut this out. Please
over here.
Please cut this out. Please
And
cut this out.
part of his carpet now is coming
Please,
up.
No, please cut this out. Please cut this out.
Why?
I don't want people to know.
It's a simple mistake. Drift
No,
car
it's
anyways.
not.
Dude,
Yeah,
drift car anyways.
No, it's not. Not yet.
It's going to be next season.
In like 4 seasons.
No, we're forcing you to drift next season. Because you're getting your angle kit.
Dude, why are they both taking so long?
Luis is insecure about his mistake.
I am insecure about it. It's because I'm a mistake, so I'm insecure about myself.
What?
Or no, my bad. I mean, oops, baby, according to my parents. Whatever that means.
Hey, Luis, you are in loops, baby.
What kind of accent accent was that?
don't know.
French?
That sounds like Borat.
That did sound like Borat. Very nice, I like. Wow, Oliva. Oh, come on, you're so close. My arm is killing me.
So close.
Yeah, so close. When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
A light, and I'm vlogging. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Whoops. Sorry, I just scratched the geek out of my arm. Okay, I think I know how to get it out. Okay.
I feel like I was that dude.
He was that dude. I can confirm.
You were that dude?
Every single bit of smoke.
I don't think I would have been any of
But now I'm chill, bro. Now the fact that if I get into a fight, I get arrested instantly, I'm chilling.
I was.
I don't have to go.
Kyle knew that I was just that kid that was like too afraid to fight anybody and start beef. So I didn't start beef, and now I'm just like, fuck shit, get hit.
Yeah, Luis was that dude who was like.
I was cool with everybody though.
Luis was like the let's talk about it dude. Like, let's talk about it. Let's not make any harsh.
Relax.
Let's not get
Amigo. Relax. Amigo. Relax.
Ego.
Relax, amigo. Harbor Freight putting in work. Remember, kids, Harbor Freight. Kind of bad, but like, it's kind of decent. Not gonna lie. The dude put in work somehow. It's definitely. I mean, do I need to take this off? I mean, I don't think so, right? Brandon?
I don't know, I can't see.
You don't think? All right, so my trans, like my actual trans pushing, right?
I will come under there in a second.
No. You don't. Like, I'm gonna explain. I don't think I have to, cause it's a.
Again, look, this is our first time ever dropping a trans on FRS, our first time changing a clutch for both of us. So, we don't know what we're doing. But
basically. No, I wouldn't. Don't say that. I would just say like.
we're gonna figure it out, yeah, but
Maybe.
I hope.
YouTube certified mechanic.
You want to come step outside and have a look at my banner, sir?
Oh, it says Dream Chaser?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Yep.
It's spelled correctly.
Yep.
Tim, give me a little spin with the new Dream Chaser jacket.
Okay. This bitch clean. I feel like I'm in a 80s or 90s like drift video.
We already dropped the trans yet, sir.
No.
Ugh.
Dude, relax. It would be a good model too.
I'm gonna drop the trans.
Would you just fucking say that? With those fucking eyebrows,
Brandon.
you're gonna be the model, alright? With those fucking eyebrows, you're gonna be the model. Look at
for a
them.
model.
Zoom in
He
on
would
them
be a
bitches.
good model.
Look at them. They're like they're chiseled.
Like, okay.
They look like you look like Hercules, dog.
Take
What is
Tim
this
right
shit?
now, but switch out the shoes.
Don't check my
And-
shoes,
and
bro.
this would
I
be
know
a
they're the wrong
good-
color.
This would be a good model right here for the Dream Chasers if they're coming back. This would be a good model right there. And he has that like, he has that British look. British look. That he fits it like he could be an H&M model.
Yeah,
or
mate.
something,
You know,
man.
I've been modeling for Dream Chaser for like a year now.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
You're also foreign. You're foreign too.
No, not really.
Yeah, you're kind of foreign.
Technically, but I was born in the United States of America.
Oh,
Yeah, your lips are blue. I love it. What's in that?
Get jacked.
Do it! Just do it!
Is that actually pre-workout?
Get jacked, yeah. It's from
Yeah.
Dad's car, yeah.
It's
this
blue?
shit. It's this shit. It's this shit. Get jacked, bro.
It looks like it might taste famous.
I'm going to be. Mark my words.
Come on, Nathan.
Okay. Don't even
Is
get started on that.
anyone on board here?
With what?
Brandon's gonna be famous. Let's get on board, everyone.
We're all gonna be famous.
We're all gonna be famous.
Well, yeah,
When the fuck did they get
he
here?
makes videos.
2 minutes ago? They didn't say shit for like 3 minutes.
Because they're like quiet. They're scared.
Pulling the trans.
I don't wanna be
Trans bike come out soon.
like remember that
Luis's head about to get crushed.
You'll be able to, have you ever watched the
Remember, kids,
Yeah.
safety first. Always wear your safety glasses. This is a good role model right here.
Okay, that's like
Always wear your safety
I have
glasses.
regular glasses, so
You never
I
know what's
avoid
gonna
it.
happen.
when we start off, it's gonna
Never know.
I want it to be at like
Is
a
this
low.
like? Stop.
Pulling that trans. Shake that bitch, Luis. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
You're the one that said, "Oh yeah." Present when you drop it.
It's 86 pounds.
Because it's an 8.6.
But like, you don't want.
Come on, Brandon.
86
We bench
pounds
more than
dropping on
86
your
pounds.
chest,
Yeah, I know.
upside down,
I'm just saying.
alone.
It's an awkward thing to carry. It's not like a bar.
wait.
He said, wait.
Hurt
What?
if it dropped.
You know
But
it's
I mean, like,
you know
could
it's gonna
just
come.
shred.
Are you sure it's not gonna interfere with this pipe?
Get out. Bozo.
Why?
Bozo? Who's a fucking bozo?
Hey, Luis.
Get out.
You sure it's not gonna?
YouTube certified mechanic.
Bullshit. I got my ASCs from YouTube.
This is not OSHA certified.
I got my ASCs from Chris Fix.
This is not OSHA's best practice.
Chris Fix, please sponsor us.
8 hours later.
8 hours later,
Trans is about to drop.
hopefully. Here, give me. Hey, Brandon, can you give me like the small pry bar that I had earlier?
Well, the trans can't just hang like this.
Hey,
Well, it is.
That's
Nick,
horrible.
yeah. Can you grab PD Blaster and give it to me on the right side of the car?
Everybody watch their eyes then.
How many idiots does it take to take a trans out of FRS? And how many hours in the day?
All right, guys.
We're not even
So
done.
I'm Alex. What's up?
Started yet.
What's your comments on this?
It's out of my ear.
I'm just helping out. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You sure to go to the store? I got on me.
You're literally like the tool. You just fetch all the tools for us.
Yeah, low key, no offense.
You gotta learn somehow.
Ow.
I mean, we're all learning as we go too, but.
Let's go. Hold it out. There has to be. It has to be on something else.
No, this is This is it. These studs are it.
Cause
They're
it's like.
long as hell, dude.
Yeah, they're
long,
they're
dude.
it.
You see
like-
how they're on the fucking?
Yeah, I know. All right, come on. Let's go for it. I feel like if.
Stop.
It's coming off. Like I can see it moving.
Which one?
The battery's disconnected anyways. Nothing's gonna happen.
And just so you guys know, yes, we are on Harbor Freight.
we're not.
Harbor Freight jack stands. I
Harbor
can't talk.
Freight.
Dude, as soon as I get in front of the
my
camera, as soon as I get in front of the camera, I don't know how to act.
Goodwill.
They're from Goodwill. It's even better.
They're good from Goodwill.
I'm like, how good's that
an
tax
antique
stands? That's what I said.
I'm gonna have to put another clip of this stuttering kid. If you ever had that.
Oh, fuck.
No, that now you should do the Gabriel Iglesias one. I.
You were like 10 minutes trying to look for the
So are we taking a mental break?
No, I don't know.
Not underneath the car.
Once Louis starts stuttering, that's when you take a
I know
mental
Omar
break.
comfy on that.
You need a
thigh.
mental break,
Bro,
Luis?
This
This guy is so
He
salty.
be chafing. He's thick as fuck. He be chafing, bro. I know this shit's comfy.
Who's at work? I'm fucking chasing.
Where's the baby powder? He's always asking, hey, any of y'all got baby powder?
Why are you walking like that?
Hey, bro, I got baby powder in my car. Fucking me. I
Now you do.
I'm gonna get that jock spray. Right, Kyle? I'm gonna get that jock spray.
You see white powder on fucking Luis's pants.
Dude, I've done it before at work. No cap.
You think it's cocaine? No.
Nah, bro, I'm just chafing.
Is that cocaine? No,
Put some cane sauce in there.
Where the hell did cane sauce come in from here?
You mean Chick-fil-A sauce?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
You're a bozo. You're a bozo.
That's nasty, dude. Chick-fil-A sauce. Because he said cane, so I was like, alright, cane sauce. He puts it on his fucking drink.
He makes it nice and smooth.
Damn, filming sucks. When do you do this?
Filming sucks. You're not even working on the car, bro. How do you think I've been here since 9:30.
You live here.
All right, suck my
At
dick.
least I don't think you got the joke.
Brandon really just sounded the same there. Not
Look at this dude recording. Looking like he's going to a Thanksgiving dinner right now. This nigga recording shit.
Hey, how you know this is my Thanksgiving sweater,
to-
bro?
I know
This
damn
is my
well.
Thanksgiving sweater, bro.
Dinner right there.
2 years in a row I wore this bitch.
Dude, this is literally the hardest. I don't know. This has been the hardest part of the dip or the
No, the drive shaft wasn't even bad. Once we heated everything up and got it out, it wasn't even bad.
We're just, dude. Why are these studs so long for?
I really do.
They're almost out. Well, because if
Oh,
you
you
feel,
drippy,
they
you
go
drippy,
all the
you
way to the
drippy,
end
bro.
of
I
this
know.
right here.
They just
It's that
this whole
thing.
thing
Yeah, I know.
is filled
But I
up.
don't know where they are in this.
What do you mean?
Like I don't know how deep they are right now.
Oh,
bro,
yeah.
you be scraping really bad, huh?
Really?
I mean, all this
Oh, you
is
should see my front pipe. Look at my front pipe.
I would love to.
Look at that. Yay. Look at that.
I'm all the way over here. I'm on jack duty.
Did you
Look at this jack, though. We need to get a new
this
jack.
pipe off or no?
Yeah, I can, but look at it. Look
Oh
how
yeah,
fucking-
there's like it's just studs.
Yeah, it's just stud. I don't even know why how it's on.
Hey, somebody,
like the worst.
Somebody skip this
somebody
song.
get off my fucking country place.
Got you.
All right, all
Fucking.
right, vámonos.
Go that way.
Vámonos.
Put some rancho on.
Oh,
Rancho.
Yo soy de rancho, right, Cobb?
yo soy de rancho.
Yo soy de.
Oh, señorita, tu bonita. Yo necesito tu amor todos los días.
Damn, he going hard.
Yeah, you hit that shit.
Okay, back to the train.
Oh, G Herb.
Mental break.
Mental break.
Can someone find me a piece of wood that was using that earlier?
I'll give you a piece of wood.
Dude, that wood is not gonna fit in there. What are you talking about?
Mental break.
All right, yeah, mental break.
One eternity later.
Luis got the trans out while I was running a couple errands. How you feeling, Luis?
Annoyed still.
Annoyed still? Why?
Because I just want to go to sleep.